Dear student, welcome to my channel. Topic of this video is History of NLP. This is the fourth video on Introduction to NLP. In this video, we explore the fascinating history of NLP and how it has evolved to power the application we use daily. Now let us start. This is completely theoretical video. NLP is comparatively new era. Development phases of NLP by era is summarized as follow. Early NLP history 1940 to 1950. This first history is focused on computational approaches to language because computational linguistics is an integral part of NLP. Turing's algorithm computation model inspired Macaulay-Pitt neuron. Shannon applied discrete Markov process that is probabilistic model to language. Formal language theory is developed using algebra and set theory. Chomsky introduced the finite state machine for grammar, and same the context-free grammar is defined by Chomsky for natural languages, which is useful for the parsing. Backus and Naur independently discovered similar concept for algol. Above advances set the stage for modern computational linguistics. Early speech recognition, sound spectrograph and instrumental phonetics research led to the first machine speech recognizers. Bell Lab 1952 system recognized 10 digits from a single speaker with 97 to 99% accuracy using vowel format patterns. Now we'll move to the second era, that is from 1957 to 1970. It's mainly focus on symbolic and stochastic paradigm. Symbolic work is originate from Chomsky's work for formal language theory, focused on generative syntax and the parsing algorithm. Initially used top-down and bottom-up parsing approaches, it is evolved to use dynamic programming. The transformation and discourse analysis project was one of the earliest complete parsing system. The stochastic paradigm focused on probabilistic model and statistical approach to language processing. So one of the application is part of speech tagging, assigning a grammatical categories to words in a sentence based on the probability. Machine translation, statistical methods were used to translate a text from one language to another based on observed pattern in bilingual data. AI workshop in 1959 discussed early natural language system. This system used pattern matching and keyword search with a simple heuristic for reasoning and question answering application. By late 1960s, more formal logical systems for language processing were developed. In 1960s saw the rise of testable model of human language processing based on transformational grammar. The concept of online corpora is emerged during this period. Creation of Brown corpus, which is very important for NLP application, is a significant resource for NLP research. It consists of 1 million sample from 500 written text across various genres, newspaper, novels, non-fictions, academic, etc. And this led to the development of transformational grammar model. Third era from 1970 to 1993, significant increase in the research on language processing. Schedules, that is natural language understanding computer program success, demonstrated that parsing was well understood, shifted focus to semantic and discourse model, that is high level of NLP. Roger Shank contribution, developed language understanding program focused on human conceptual knowledge including script, plan, goals and human memory organization. Logic based and natural language understanding paradigms were unified. System used predicate logic for semantic representation. For example, Lunar used a predicate logic for semantic representation. Discourse modeling paradigm focused on 4 key areas of the discourse analysis. Contribution of Gross and colleagues introduced the study of substructure in discourse and introduced the concept of discourse focus. Fourth era is from 1993 to till date. Probabilistic and data-driven model became a standard in natural language processing, that is nothing but machine learning approaches. Application of probabilistic model used in parsing, part of speech tagging, reference resolution and discourse processing. Evaluation strategies incorporated evaluation strategies from speech recognition and information retrieval. Technological innovation in hardware, increased speed and memory of computers enable commercial exploitation of speech and language processing subareas. Significant advancement in speech recognition and spelling and grammar checking. enhanced capabilities due to improved hardware and probabilistic models. Fourth era, continue. Commercial exploitation, broader application in commercial product and services. Information extraction, increased focus on extracting useful information from large data set available on the web. Rise of web application, emphasize the need for language-based information retrieval and information extraction. Deep learning, revolutionize the field with neural network handling complex language tasks. For example, ChatGPT and other similar large language model emerge and leveraging vast amounts of data and advanced architecture to generate a human-like text and perform a wide range of language-related tasks. Today, NLP has become an integral part of our lives. From virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa to language translation app, recommendation system and chatbots, NLP powers a wide range of application. Advancement in transformer architecture such as BERT and GPT-3 enable tasks like generating human quality text, answering complex questions, and even translating the language with unprecedented accuracy. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and natural language interaction in the future. So that is all about the history of NLP from different era. Thank you.